Okay,
Trial and error, guys. Trial and error. We're being productive. Oh God, I look crazy. Hola Chanellies, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. My name is Jaila, also known as JaiChanellie on the internet, so that is where you can find and follow me. Hopefully it's on this side. If not, just forgive me. I'm coming to you today with a kind of different video. I just want to show you how much content I plan to film today. Y'all, the list is insane. I thought I was going to be able to film 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different videos today of various things. They're not all for YouTube. Some of them are like don't rush challenges. Some of them are IGTV tutorials. But basically, I want to create 5 pieces of content today. And I'm going to basically walk you through this whole process of how I create batch content, how you can create content in bulk. So you're only filming for one day and then you have content for weeks and weeks and weeks. Hopefully I'm actually able to get everything on this list done. Pray for me. But if you want to see that, go ahead and keep on watching. Remember to hit that subscribe button. I'm bringing you the content, so go ahead and bring me the subscription, okay? Let's get right into it. So the very first thing I'm going to do is film the dress down part of the don't rush challenges for each one of those videos. And then I'm going to film my hair takedown process. Then we're going to move to the makeup and all that good stuff. So I will actually show you my to-do list here. And of course, we're going to check stuff off, cross it off as we complete it. So very first thing we got to do is film the beginning parts of our don't rush challenges, which is why I'm coming to you in this scarf, honey, in this dress down look, because we got to get the girls dressed down so we can get dressed up. So I'm going to set y'all up right here. I forgot to mention, I'm not the only working adult in the house. There are also 2 other working adults in this house. So we are batch creating content in this quarantine mode while you have to respect other people's time and space. So I would highly suggest texting your house members at the beginning of the day and saying, hey, I want to film at this time. Just, you know, give them a heads up so they can be ready. Get out your way. Okay, so my first don't rush challenge is actually for work. So I'm gonna use this sticky note as my, you know, my camera thing or whatever. And I'm supposed to look like I'm super comfortable in my PJs, but I don't want to put on PJs and then have to change into this shirt because I'm going to wear this shirt for the other one. So I'm just going to take this cover. I'm going to take this little blanky blank and we're just going to cover up the shirt so it looks like we're very comfortable. See what I did there? Minimizing the costume changes, okay? Actually, Kirsten, I could use your help again if you're done because I was like throwing it to myself but you can see my hand. Okay, I'm going to yawn and I'm going to lay down and then you can drop it.
Okay.
Did it get in the camera?
I don't know. Okay.
Trial and error, guys. Trial and error. Perfect. Thanks, Kirsten. Step 1 done. For the second one, we're just gonna take off the blanket, switch out our prop, and then do this whole thing over again. We've done 2 things on our list already. Next thing we have to do is film our hair takedown process. And I'm doing that before I actually do my makeup. So let me go ahead and rearrange the camera and we're gonna get right into it. So I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back in like our regular seating because we're gonna film a regular hair video. I'm about to take this scarf off so I can take down my hair. I did change my top just to give the girls something different, you know. So without further ado, let me just get to that. Done. Now we got another thing to cross off the list. I'm pretty sure the next thing on my list is to film a peachy spring makeup look, which is basically gonna be my daytime look. I'm also gonna do like a day to night look. This is gonna be my daytime look. So I'm really feeding 2 birds with one stone. That was for you, Peter. Doing this spring. Feeding 2 birds with 1 seed.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much for that.
So I'll be back with my makeup materials and then we're gonna get right into the makeup video. We're being productive.
Let me know in the comments section below if I should post this video to IGTV or to YouTube. I feel like it's more appropriate for IG, but I don't know.
With an outfit change, let me go ahead and show you. This is my business casual. This is like the second part of my don't rush challenge for work. So I changed my outfit, you know, trying to look cute for the kids, whatever. Let them know that we miss them. So that was cute, but I'm pretty sure the next thing I have to do is what? Let's consult our list. Where's the list? Where's the phone? So the next thing I have to do is just have to film the second half of the Don't Rush Challenge for Black Vandy. So, you know, I gotta pop out. I can't be looking like a teacher. I gotta be looking like, you know, I don't know. It's a lot of footage going on right now. I have 16 minutes left on my memory card. That's great. We're gonna have to delete some stuff. This is all a part of the process. So I'll be back with a freer memory card and we'll go ahead and transform this face.
Again, let me know if you think the makeup video should go on here or on IGTV. Tell me in the comments below.
Nighttime club realness. This has to this has to stay here because your girl did not show you one of her armpit. I think my hair should go up. I feel like down is cute, but I feel like up gives more nighttime.
Just so y'all know, the crop is about to get real interesting because I did not shave one of my armpits, but then I forgot that I put the jean jacket on for a reason and I was taking it off, child, and lifting my arms up, and it was crazy. So y'all just gonna have to get into this little crop action, okay?
I don't know, what do y'all think? I feel like this looks more nighttime to me, but it's also not that cute. Yeah, I don't. This is not giving what it should be giving. See what we are looking like. Oh God, I look crazy.
So if you don't know, I graduated from Vanderbilt University in 2017, and I just hit up some of the black girls that also went to school with me, and I was like, hey, let's jump on this Don't Rush Challenge, and that's what this is, okay? So we had to start on them real quick. One time for the one time.
Okay, y'all, I've done like 50 bajillion takes, and hopefully one of them are good. I like my hair like this. I literally just filmed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 videos, including this one, in the span of 3 hours, and now I'll have content for all of my platforms for weeks to come. I know it's a lot of work right now, like I'm breathing hard, I'm tired, but it really does pay off in the end when you don't have to like constantly produce work to post like the next day. That's how I batch produce my content. That's how I bulk produce content. That's how I film 5, 6 videos in one day. If you enjoyed this vlog style, like how I do it video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you're subscribed to this channel because, you know, why not? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.